guys look, I'm literally sitting face to face with the wild and highly venomous eastern diamondback rattlesnake. And I am afraid to move. I am frozen in my tracks right now. I don't even want to move my arms. All I did is sit down to take a little breather because it is about 95 degrees outside. And crawling out of the brush over to my left was this guy. And I don't know what to do. And try to blow on him to get him to move. He's not moving at all. Oh, I'm gonna try to touch his tail to get him to move. Oh, I am shaking. Oh, he sees me. He sees me. Oh my God. I do not want to move right now. I am shaking. I need to find something to hook him with. Oh my God. This is the dangers of sitting in the wild and not taking a moment just to observe your surroundings. Oh. Come on, go the other way. Go the other way. I don't know what to do, I think. Come on, go the other way. Yeah. Is he gone? Whoa! You see that? I don't know if that is adrenaline or if that is fear, but I had to think quick and I had to move out of this guy's way as fast as possible. That is an eastern diamondback rattlesnake for you.